Hey, hello guys. So guys, today I am going to show you very interesting software, SKETCHUP. SKETCHUP basically we use to design the buildings, 3D design and the modeling and too many things you can do it. It's like the AutoCAD. I don't know you heard the name for this, but as you can see here, SKETCHUP is a suite of subscription product that include Sketch Pro Desktop, a 3D modeling computer, edit design program, a board range or drawing. So here you can design many things, you can modify many things like the car, like you can create the big house with door, windows, with all the accessories and too many things. So let's start and step by step I will teach you. So I am teaching you from the beginning. So what you have to do if you don't have the SketchUp software, so there is the link in my video down, and you can click on it and you can download SketchUp on your computer. Otherwise, there is the online SketchUp also. You write SketchUp on Google, and this is SketchUp 3D design software. So once you click on it, you will come on product and SketchUp web for web. Here you have to click on start modeling and now think through ideas and pre-build, and now you have to connect with Google or Microsoft. If you have Apple, suppose I connect with Google, or you can create an account in this software also. So I connect with Google, sign in with Google, and I connect with this of account. So guys, now I am almost in a SketchUp. Now I click on I agree and OK. Now I click on start modeling. So this is the first screen guys for SketchUp, and this cowboy, this man is standing here, and the earth, the area will start from here. That's why he's here. So firstly you are going to open the new model. You will click here, and there is new model. Choose new. Once you select a new one, you have to title this whatever title you want. It will save automatically. So suppose you can write sketch. Suppose you write here SketchUp 1. You can see if you want to create the new folder, so it's okay. Otherwise you can save this here. Or guys, you can write your name here, uh, name and class. So you can say you can write your name and class here, so it will be easy. After that, the first thing you will select this man, and from the keyboard you will press delete. So this man will be deleted. So once you delete that guy, you can see the views here. See, this is the scene, and when you will click on it, so there is different types of scene, which perspective you want to see. Suppose I take this one. Or guys, you can create the new ID on Trimble. So like here. So I will suggest make the ID here. So it's better for you. You will click on create a Trimble ID everywhere else, because not United States, not European Union. So here you will write your first name, suppose first name, last name. Here you wrote the email and then send the code. Okay, you can choose other email. Now you will receive the code on the email what you give it to them. So once you receive the code, you have to enter, and I am checking now, and the code is 193421. I submit. Okay, the password you have to choose it, and you have to keep in your mind all these things. 8 characters should be numbers. You have to use 0 to 9, uppercase and lowercase. So all these things you have to keep in your mind because it should be the strong password. Now I give the password and submit. Here I choose because I am here. Okay, your account has been created successfully, and this is the free account. And once you create this account, you will receive the email your Trimble identity account has been created, and welcome to your Trimble identity account. So now I agree this and I click on start modeling. If you don't want this process, so you can use just your Gmail address, connect with Gmail, and you will be able to log in. Okay, so from here you can create a new account, or if you have an existing account, so you can import, export, or you can open the previous account if you have in your computer. If you don't have, so we just make the new one, and we can change the title here what we changed it before, but again we log in. So whatever title you want to write, suppose I said name and class. So uh, so you can write your name and your class. So if this is your project, so you can submit to your teacher with your name and grade or roll number or whatever. So once you open your new or existing account, so you will see on the left hand side these tools what we will use for drawing, and on the right hand side this is the useful panels what I will show you how we will use this. And these tools and these panels are very important to create any of the model or any of the um, building. When you will open the new one, so every time it will be completely empty and it will give you the 2D interface. There are 3 lines you can see. So this axis basically, suppose this red line, this axis is for horizontal lines, horizontal direction like this. The green one is for the vertical direction, and the blue one like Z. Blue one basically it's for the height, and how much height should be for the building or whatever you are going to design. So you can see this is x-axis, this is y-axis, and this is z. This is Z, blue one. So we will keep these three axes X, Y, and Z. So we use different types of tools. What you can see here on the left hand side, like this line tool we use to make the straight lines, or you will see how we will work on it. So like this, you can use this. Also, you can freehand with freehand tool like this. You can zoom in and zoom out to see more precisely and make another curves or whatever. The arc tool you can use for any of the arc. It's depend which type of villa or which type of building you are going to create. So you can keep in the direction like which direction you want to make it. You can open this instructor panel. So to learn how you can use which tool, suppose you are taking this arc tool. So now you can see how we use this arc tool and where and when we can use this. So like this rectangle tool we can use for the regular shapes with 2 points, or which shape you want. It's big, small, or whatever. Okay. You can click on this and this is 3D text. So you can use this 3D text to write some 3D title or 3D text on the floor or wherever you want. Suppose I write Villa Miami. You can change the font style or which style you want. You can change the height of the text. Suppose I make 5, this I keep this one here I make. So you can see now wherever you want you can put it, in which direction, in which. So you can see like this we can take the 3D text. To undo um, anything, use the Z and or escape key to undo something. For modification, you can use Control plus Z, like for undo, the same. Now we come from display panel. You can use the axis for the guidelines, or it will show the X, Y, Z axis, or it will show you the guideline if you want. Also, you can see this man and the whatever you are going to create. So the shadow for this, you can manage the shadow so it looks real, or so whatever you want. Okay. Okay. From this push pull button, you can drag, you can push or pull the 2D objects into 3D objects. Suppose, for example, okay, I remove this from here and I take this push pull. So now I can make 3D objects like this. You can see now which place you want to drag or draw, you can do it. Like you make this small shape and then you use the push and pull. Then the follow me tool will give you the direction for 2D and 3D, any which direction you want. One more thing, you can do it. Suppose you want to make this empty, this box, so just click on it and press the delete button from your keyboard. So you can see now, you can see the inside box. If you want to take some ready-made accessories or furniture, so you can click on this component and there are some ready-made components. You will find it whatever you want. See, you will click here and you write suppose table. So you can see there are different types of tables you will find here like this. Whatever you want to search, just write it down and tables will be there. Suppose I take this one, I download this and this table is here. Now I can play with it now and I can make it big or small or wherever I want to put it. So it's as easy for finalizing your project, because now we made a small thing. If we make the building, so there is the orbit, so you can move around any which area you want to see. Okay, like there is pen tool also, it will take you where you want to go, which area in your floor. So like this search. For the perspective view, you can choose display and you can see now which perspective you want to see. So this is the back side. So whatever you want. If you want to see the preview, so from the human view you want to see, so you can see like you are walking. So like this, if you want position camera somewhere, if you want to check the angles, so you can check it the sizes for the building, the like the measurement, you can take the measurement like this. Its union, its outer shell. If you want to trim something, so also you can trim the things. For the styles of your buildings, you can click on styles and you can see your building or your view with different 3D styles. Now whatever you want, so you can work better if you are facing problem in Auto 2D like this here. You can see this is the color set. I close this. I remove this here. This one also you can see. So there are two many styles, you can choose it. uh, if you don't find this, so just you have to click on the style and it will be here, home. So just click on search and which one you want, just choose it. And you can see different views. Now let's see how to edit the reshapes the image. Now first you have to select this, which one, which line you want. First you have to select the lines. In the move tools you can use the lines to make different designs. So once you will take the select tool and you will select the line, this, this, this. So suppose this is the selected line, and now you take the move tool, so it will convert 2D into 3D. You can change it to select the whole item. You will select the whole item, then you can move with the move tool where you want to keep it. If you want to make the group, suppose this lines, now you want to make one group for this, and everything will be joined. This is the one item will be, so you have to right click. First you have to select this item and then make group. So you can see now this is one group. So now if you move this, so it will move as a group. Okay. So if you want to edit the text, 3D text, here you have to move back or up. So what will you do? Suppose you wrote this 3D text, right click, first select all, right click, and there is option explode. So now you can select the particular character, or you can also make the group for this whole. So when you will move, it will move on one. So guys, I hope you like this video, and if you have any question, any inquiry about the SketchUp, this is the beginning only. Just in the next class I will show you how can you build a small house with door, windows, and how we choose the material like glass material or wood. Or so in next class I will teach you all these things. If about these tools and whatever I explained to you, you have any question, any inquiry, you can ask me in the comment box. If you are new on my channel, so please subscribe and take care till the next class. Bye.